To every girl watching this, know this: the sea doesn't care about your gender, only your courage. I am a boat skipper, a scuba professional, a hotelier, a seafarer, a mariner, not because it was easy, but because I refused to believe that these worlds weren't meant for me. The ocean taught me that strength is silent, leadership is earned, and fear is just the first step toward confidence. So, dream big, whether it's in the deep sea, the captain's seat, the dive below, or leading from the front. There's a place for you. You belong there. You just have to take the first bold step. The tides are changing, and you, girl, are the storm. Dear future ocean stewards, the ocean is not just a vast body of water. It is the heartbeat of our planet. It provides the air we breathe, the food we eat, and the balance that sustains all life on Earth. But today, it faces threats like pollution, overfishing, and climate change. You are the generation with the power to protect it.